Yes, how to take a MAG-LITE apart. See, this thing is working. You see this? And I want to show you today, how do you take this apart? Alright? And what most can imagine is that the easiest is to take the batteries out. There's this piece. And you just take the batteries out. I have 3 of those in here. You wonder what this is? That has inside, look at this, a rechargeable battery. Have you seen that before? Instead of this. 3 of those in there, right? And then what everybody can imagine, easy is also to get the head off here, right? You just have to twist, twist, twist a few times. You can see it moving here where my finger is. It's coming out more and more and more. There we go. This is this piece. And then here we have the light bulb in there. You can screw that out easy. Look at this. Let's put that to the side. Then we have this piece. And then the question is, the only thing what is left is the switch. How to get that out. Okay, so we are very, very careful to not poke this rubber thing here. But I'm going in here with a small needle and pull this out like this. Okay, so you can see this here. That is just the rubber that closes in the switch. You can see here, on and off. Okay, and now there is a screw in there, a nut with this Allen wrench at 2 millimeters. Watch this here, 2 millimeters. And you go in this hole and you unscrew it. You can feel it. Unscrew it a little bit. And then you can see when you unscrew it that you can move this back and forth. See that? That's when you pull out. Push it in. And then you can pour this in here like this. And it should just come out. There it goes. And now you can look through this. See, there is nothing in here anymore. Empty. Alright. Put this over here. And then we have this piece. There's this little screw we had. So when you screw in here with your screwdriver, with your 2 millimeter, that's where you can screw that nut in and out. Okay. You can remove this, I think. Here. There is this little spring in here. And the contacts, if something is broken. You just make sure you put this back in the same way you got it out. You know. There's another spring here. A contact. This piece you can disassemble if you like by going in here. The same 2 millimeter. You can take that nut off. But this is not what this video is about, how to disassemble this piece. This video is more how to get this piece out of it. If you take it apart, this piece, then you memorize how you take it apart, all the little tiny pieces in here, to put this back together. Alright? Now, in order to get this back together, you do the opposite, right? You put this in here in the back. It has to go all the way down here. There. Twist it around until you see the switch. And then you go in with your 2mm again, and you tighten that nut. Now, once you tighten it, you will feel, when you go back and forth, you will feel where it goes into the hole in the pipe here. There's a little hole in there where this nut hooks up into. You can feel that, see that? So, and then, once you have that in, you're just gonna put this back in here, like this, see? That's how that works. I'm gonna screw this back in. Like this, and to verify if it works, I'm gonna throw in my 3 fake batteries. Just to see if this works. There it goes. And as you can see, it still works. Right? That's how you remove the on-off switch in a MAG-LITE. There you go. Here. Right? Wonderful. Very easy to do. Thanks for watching.